Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk about the consumer decision making process. That is part of consumer behavior literature. This topic will be covered through 5 separate lectures. At the end of those lectures, you will be able to analyze the components of consumer decision making process. It's every marketer's goal to get inside the head of consumer. You want to figure out how the consumer makes decisions and how you can get them to make a decision to purchase your product or service. Consumer decision-making process includes 5 steps: problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternative, purchase, and post-purchase evaluation. Now I want to talk about problem recognition. Most decision making starts with some sort of a problem. The consumer develops a need or a want that he or she wants to be satisfied. The consumer feels like something missing and needs to advertise it to get back to feeling normal. If you can determine when your target develops these needs or wants, it would be an ideal time to advertise to them. Problem recognition results when the consumers recognize a substantial difference between what is perceived as the actual product and the product he or she wants to purchase. You want the customer select your product. So let me give you an example here. It's a red color. Be conscious how much red you use in your product. Imagine that you walked in a room with a red wall, a red carpet, a red furniture. I know you have been seeing that in many trading places, but you know that it's overstimulating. So be conscious how much red you use. Consumer wants and need should drive marketing decision. The question now, is there a difference between want and need? For sure, there are many differences between want and need. In fact, need is a consumer's desire for a product or service's specific benefit. On the other hand, want is the desire for a product or services that are not necessarily, but which consumers wish for. The food, for example, is considered a consumer need. However, a dessert or sweet is considered a consumer want, as these things are not necessarily in order to live. The product is going to differ from your target depending on your situation. In marketing, we cannot create needs, but we can make you aware of them. The second example is about pizza commercial. Let's say you came home from a hard working day. Now you are sitting and watching TV, and something up comes. A beautiful pizza commercial. Just the cheese is bubbling, and you say, "Oh, it looks so good." You just salivate. Here you recognize you are hungry. You realize you're hungry. You can call the pizza store and ask to deliver one. On other hand, you can look in the refrigerator and see whether you have salad less calorie and healthier. So it's to be aware about need or want, it's a problem recognition. We have talked today about need or problem recognition. In the upcoming lectures, I will talk about information search, evaluation, purchase, and post-purchase evaluation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.